Welcome to Electronics Arena, your one-stop destination to tech world. The INFINIX GT20 Pro gaming smartphone, set to launch in India on May 21st, alongside the GT Book and GT Verse gaming accessories, features cutting-edge technology, powered by the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate SoC and equipped with a Pixelworks X5 Turbo gaming display chip. It's INFINIX's first dual-chip smartphone, offering 8GB or 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Its exact configuration for India is yet to be confirmed. The device boasts a 6.78 inches, 144Hz Full HD plus AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint reader and a punch-hole 32MP selfie camera. The CyberMecha design back panel includes customizable RGB LEDs and houses a powerful 108MP primary camera, along with 2MP macro and depth sensors, fast charging, NFC, and dual JBL tuned speakers. It promises an immersive gaming experience. Available in Mecha Orange, Mecha Silver, and Mecha Blue, it's a stylish choice for gamers. So, is this smartphone a gamer's treat? Tell us in the comments.